Body of Caucasian male washes up in Parang, Maguindanao. Could it be the kidnapped American Elliot Eastman? On October 22, 2024, a shocking discovery was made in Parang, Maguindanao, when the body of a Caucasian male washed up on the shore. Parang is located directly across the sea from Sibuco, Zamboanga del Norte, the place where American content creator Elliot Eastman was abducted just 5 days prior, on October 17. This discovery has raised questions and fears about whether the body could be that of Elliot Eastman, the young American kidnapped by armed men in the southern Philippines. Elliot Eastman, a 26-year-old from Vermont, USA, was forcibly taken by armed men from the coastal town of Sibuco in Zamboanga del Norte. Witnesses reported that Eastman resisted the kidnappers, resulting in him being shot in the leg before being dragged onto a boat. From there, his abductors fled into the sea, and authorities suspected they could be heading towards either Basilan or the Sulu archipelago, both known for harboring criminal groups, including the infamous Abu Sayyaf group. Since his kidnapping, there has been no proof of life, leaving authorities, his family, and the public in distress. Despite efforts to track down the kidnappers, no group has come forward to claim responsibility, and the lack of communication from the abductors has deepened concerns about Eastman's safety. On October 22, 5 days after Eastman's abduction, a body washed up on the shores of Parang, Maguindanao, a town located just across the bay from Sibuco, where the kidnapping occurred. Parang's proximity to the suspected escape route of the kidnappers has led to speculation that this body could be that of the missing American. The Philippine National Police, PNP, and local authorities in Maguindanao quickly responded to the discovery, and investigators are working to determine the identity of the deceased. However, identifying the body has proven challenging due to the time it spent in the water. DNA tests and other forensic methods are expected to be used to confirm the identity. There are several reasons why authorities believe the body found in Parang could potentially be Elliot Eastman. 1. Geographical proximity. Parang, Maguindanao, is located just across the sea from Sibuco, where Eastman was abducted. The journey by boat would be relatively short, making it plausible that the kidnappers crossed the sea to escape the authorities. 2. Timeline. The body washed ashore just days after Eastman's kidnapping. Given the known escape route of the kidnappers and the timeline of events, it aligns with the possibility that the body is connected to the abduction. 3. The condition of the body. Witnesses to the kidnapping reported that Eastman had been shot in the leg. Authorities will likely examine the body for similar injuries as part of their investigation. Despite these factors, it's important to note that no official confirmation has been made regarding the identity of the body. While these clues are compelling, they remain circumstantial until forensic results are made public. If the body is confirmed to be Elliot Eastman, this will be a tragic and devastating development for his family and friends. His death would also raise concerns about the ongoing security situation in the southern Philippines, particularly in Zamboanga del Norte and the nearby island provinces where kidnapping incidents have historically occurred. On a larger scale, Eastman's case sheds light on the risks that foreigners and locals alike face in regions affected by armed conflict, poverty, and lawlessness. The possible involvement of groups like Abu Sayyaf further complicates matters, as they have a long history of kidnapping for ransom in this part of the Philippines. At this stage, authorities are conducting an in-depth investigation to verify the identity of the body and to determine what led to the tragic end of this individual. If it turns out to be Elliot Eastman, it will not only be a heartbreaking outcome for his loved ones but also a stark reminder of the dangers present in certain parts of the world. For now, the search for answers continues, and the world waits for official confirmation on the identity of the body. The discovery of a Caucasian male's body on the shores of Parang, Maguindanao, just across the sea from where Elliot Eastman was abducted, has sent shockwaves through the local and international community. While we await confirmation on the identity of the body, this incident highlights the ongoing security challenges in the southern Philippines and the devastating impact of kidnapping crimes.